Hey, what up everybody? Today I just got a package that I have been waiting for. There was a delay in the shipping from, I don't know, I got it from Best Buy, ordered it offline, and FedEx was bringing it. But anyway, I finally got it and I am just very excited. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I'm talking about. Yes, here it is, the Canon EOS R. And I have the kit lens with it. So basically the body and the lens, the 24 to 105 millimeter. So let's go ahead and get into an unboxing of this. I'm really excited. All right. This is going to be a quick unboxing. I'm not going to get into checking everything out in here, but got the manual here. Some type of cord. I'm no photography or videography expert. Battery. So, I'm no expert on any of this. This is something I'm just getting into. It's a full frame sensor camera. Some type of, I don't know, I'm not sure what this is. But that's to the side. It's like a lens hood there, strap, or packaging. Is this what I think it is right here? I think this is what I think it is. Yes. Yes. Look at that. And one of the many things that sold me on this camera was this. Fully articulating screen. Yes. Set that to the side. Oh, this is heavier than the camera, the lens. Again, this is the 24 to 105 kit lens. Very careful with this thing. This thing's like $1,000 by itself. Got your stabilizer right here, image stabilization right here, lens, autofocus, manual focus. I must say this feels real smooth right here. Well, I'm not gonna make this video too long. Let me just open this up. Oh wow, okay. I'm not gonna hold this video too long. This is just a quick unboxing of the Canon EOS R. Still a very, very nice camera in 2020. In conclusion of this video, comment, like, subscribe, and share. This is just some bonus footage of the EOS R. And it's I have it on a Gikoto tripod. One of the selling points of this camera was the selfie screen. I'm about to give a wider shot now of the camera and the Gikoto tripod. Links will be in the description for the camera and the tripod. Until the next one, peace.